beautiful family and friends, and welcome to Coco's Cucina. Guys, I hope you all are doing wonderful, well, and swell. I am, and I want to thank you guys so much for your subscription. If you have not already subscribed, guys, now is a great time to go ahead and do so. All you have to do is click the subscribe button and the notification bell. It will notify you of any new and upcoming videos that I release. And that will keep you in the know of any new and upcoming videos. So today, guys, what I am preparing is stuffed salmon. All right. I know both of my pieces are slightly different in size. And one may cook a little bit longer than the other one, and that's okay. I'm just going to have to watch them. But what we're going to stuff them with is shrimp, salmon, Philadelphia cream cheese, green onions, garlic, and then we have a sauce that we're going to use. But what we've got to do now is go ahead and get our stuffing prepared. So that is 3 ounces of softened cream cheese, along with 3 tablespoons of, let's see, where is this at? I'm so sorry, guys. There we go. 3 tablespoons of green onions. So we're going to go ahead and just mix that up strategically as best as we can. I'm going to move this out the way before I spill it. And I don't want to do that. And again, this is Philadelphia cream cheese. It is garlic cloves and the green onions. All right, and all you want to do is just mix that like so. Until it's all strategically mixed. And then this is placed in the refrigerator, guys, for just a minute, okay? We're going to place that in the fridge, I think, for like maybe about 5 minutes. And then, guys, what we're going to do next is our sauce. So here I have 2 tablespoons of honey. To that, I am adding 3 tablespoons of soy sauce. And then also a half a teaspoon of, it says sriracha, but I'm just going to add a tablespoon of hot sauce. And then this is just going to be mixed together. And this is what we're going to glaze our salmon with, okay? So you want to get that honey nice and incorporated, guys, where it's all smooth, just like that. So you just want to stir it until everything is incorporated. Just like that. I'm going to add just a smidge bit more of hot sauce. There's no kick to that at all. There's the kick. So that was 2 tablespoons. All right. So guys, I'm going to be back here in just a few minutes as soon as my cheese mixture has set in the refrigerator for 5 minutes. I'm going to saute real quickly my shrimp, so that will be all ready. And then we'll get this salmon stuffed. Hang tight. All right, guys, so I'm just going to spray my pan with my shrimp in it. And cut this on. I've got my spinach already rinsed. I'm just gonna kind of hit it a couple of times with the scissors, kind of cut up my pieces. All right, I'm just gonna let that saute for just a few minutes. I mean, just a few minutes. And my seasoning is gonna be just a little bit of Poucheron. And just a little bit of garlic powder. All right, and we'll be back once this is sauteed. All right, family, so here is the shrimp and the spinach already sauteed. So we're gonna go ahead and get this salmon stuffed. All right, hang tight. All right, guys, so my cream cheese mixture is out of the refrigerator. I have my salmon already sliced. So what we're going to do guys is go ahead and get the salmon, the cream cheese mixture in the middle, like so. All right, and then guys, let me get both of these done. Just like so. And the oven is already set, guys. It says 400 degrees. That is done. All right, so now we're going to go ahead and add the spinach mixture. And I am squeezing the liquid out of this because you know spinach does make its own juice. So I only had like about 6 or 7 shrimp. So we're gonna put like 3 of them each. So we're gonna put, I just want to make sure that could close. So. can see, I got most of that liquid still in there. All right. So I am going to also drizzle just a bit of this sauce on top before we place it in the oven. All right. All right, guys, so this is what it looks like before we place it in the oven. Guys, don't forget to like, comment, and share this video. Thank you for watching, and until the next time, guys, remain sweet and kind.